This next strip we'll look at is atrial flutter. So you'll notice that this strip looks very different from the ones we've looked at before. So, 8 steps of interpretation. Identify the P waves. There are no P waves. These are known as flutter waves, so they're sawtooth pattern. Identify your QRSs, which we have. So when you have an atrial flutter, you have absence of P waves, and an absence of a T wave, all you have are F or flutter waves and QRSs. So what you need to do is measure the width of the QRS. As in all the videos, where it leaves the isoelectric line and where it comes back, drop those calipers 2 blocks for a QRS of 0.08. QT you cannot measure, PR interval you cannot measure. The next thing we look at is the rate of the atria and the ventricle. So because these are flutter waves, you measure from flutter to flutter wave, and you'll see they are incredibly regular. Drop that on the box here. It's actually about 5.5 boxes, so I'm going to just say it's 6 for calculation sake. So 6 box between, I'm going to give you an atrial rate of 250, and you have to measure the ventricular rate as well. And I do that when I pick it up and drop it, 5, 10, 15, 20, about 22 blocks for a ventricular rate of 68. So actually, if we did 5.5 boxes, 5.5 times 4 exactly equals 22. So the interpretation on this rhythm is atrial flutter with 4-to-1 conduction.